Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the easiest out the door kind of spring makeup look. I'm so excited with the way this whole look turned out. I was inspired by my jumper. I'm always inspired by clothes, but especially when they have like a nice color. And I just got this from and other stories. But then I think that the simplicity of this look matches with so many looks in it and transforms a simple white shirt or a striped top or a black top into something very spring and very happy. Before we get into this video, please make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click on the ring bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Now let's get into it. Whenever I am planning to do my makeup, the most important thing is, of course, what am I going to wear? Where am I going? And today I'm wearing this happy, very colorful jumper, and I was inspired by this, and I'm like, okay, I want to do like a crazy lipstick. And I went through all of my lipsticks and I found the color that I wanted. So now everything goes around that lipstick, and that happens pretty much all the time. Whenever I do my makeup, I find a color, just one product that just gets that spark going on. And if there is not a spark, the makeup look is not the same, I'm telling you. So in today's video, definitely there is a spark, and I can't wait to do my makeup. I'll be using a little bit of brightening CC serum from Barbie in the color 3 Apricot. It's an easy product, meaning that it doesn't need any special attention. You don't have to pat it, you don't have to apply it in a certain way. Just slap it on, and it has a beautiful glow, very natural actually. Foundation, best everyday foundation, Barbie Hyaluronic Hydra Foundation SPF 30. You have 20% off at this foundation with my code, and it's available internationally. Now, I'm not going to use the dropper directly on my face because we know that there were accidents before. I will do just... And then I'll take It Cosmetics brush. I think it's the first time I'm applying this foundation with a brush. Let's see how it goes. They recommend this foundation to be applied with a sponge. So now it's the first time I'm giving it a try with a brush. I'm not mad with the way it applies with the brush, but you know what? I actually prefer to have it applied with the sponge. I like the finish better, believe it or not, but it just looks so much more natural with the beauty blender. Skin looking flawless. You guys know how much I love this foundation. If you're new in here, this has a demi matte finish, the most natural looking foundation, but then it has amazing coverage. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light medium. I kind of forgot about this concealer. I'm back to it right now. Taking my Sephora 57 brush, giving this a nice spread. Sephora doesn't have the best brushes. I'm sorry, they just don't. But then this one is amazing. Have you guys noticed that lately I've been using a lot of this Bye Bye Pores from It Cosmetics? You guys, I find myself reaching out for this powder a lot lately. Had to clean it, it was a little dusty. It's a great powder actually. Really, really good powder. I take it with this Misa brush, just any brush that is small and a little fluffy, like a blending brush, but just bigger would work. What I've noticed with the powder is whenever I apply it like right here in this area, blurs the pores. And don't get me wrong, all powders do that. But this one in particular, I don't know what it has. I'm gonna use this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. This is a matte bronzer. It's not too dark, so it's not gonna be a huge contrast. This is a soft cheek brush from Sonia G. And because I did not powder in this area, I'm being very careful on how I apply it, because usually when you apply a bronzing powder on a surface that is a little sticky, a little dewy, usually what happens is going to make a stain. It's going to look muddy. But if you are being careful and you apply little by little your product, that's not going to happen. Going a little bit of bronzer on the nose. I do a quick swipe on the brow bone. I always do this right at the end after I'm almost done with the bronzer. Next is blush, Laura Mercier in Strawberry. This works so well with my jumper. 05 brush from Refer, and I'm going to apply this right on the apple of the cheek. Be very careful with this blush because it has really good pigment. So a little goes a long way. The way I apply my blush, I focus it on the right on the apple of the cheek. I don't smile, do anything like that because the placement changes, right? So just stay serious, and then from the apple of the cheek, I kind of spread it. See, towards the temple. This is the placement. It's not the same placement for everybody. Since we are here, how about we apply some highlighter? I don't have my usual brush around, so I'm going to use this fan brush from Refer. This is in number 20. NARS Fort de France. What an amazing highlighter. A little bit in there. A little bit right here. And then Cupid's bow. Alright, now I've done my eyebrows, and I have to admit this color is a bit too dark for me. This is in black. I should get the brown one. I was using Glossier Brow Flick as usual. I have these Laura Mercier eyeshadows that are just amazing. And this color in particular, it looks white, right? But then when you apply it on your hand or in your eyes, it has these awesome reflex. And I'm sure you have something at home that it's very similar. I don't know if the camera catches it. So if you see, if I turn, this really is like clear. But then it has these beautiful reflex of blue and green, and I actually really like it. This comes in different colors. You've got this one and you've got this one as well. But it's fun, and if you always wanted to try a little bit of color for your eyes, you could start by using this product, something similar. I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and now I apply it with my finger. Oh, this is so pretty. You guys, this is so pretty. The eyelids look like they're wet. You see? Oh, I love this. I'm taking a small brush and apply this in the inner corner. I really wanted to have this beautiful thing in the inner corner as well. This is gorgeous. And you know what? This is so pretty that I'm not going to apply anything else. We're calling it a day. Eyelash curler. This is the Laura Mercier eyelash curler that I actually love, love, love. It just lifts those lashes. Now you know the drill. Mascara, better than sex. Eyelash curler plus this mascara. It's a winning situation. Mascara on the lower lashes. I'm using, as usual, the MAC Extended Play Chica Black Lash. Talking Points lip liner from MAC. Yeah, we're going straight into lips. My favorite way to apply lip liner. First, I contour the lips and then I use my finger to spread it. Then I'm going to use this lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is in Bachelorette. And I'm going to go straight from the bullet. Now taking a very small brush, this is from a brand called 1944, and I'm trying to perfect the lip contour. Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist for extra dewiness. Oh, I love this product. If you have dry skin, even now when you're inside, if you have dry skin and throughout the day, you feel your skin getting even more dry and you don't want to apply moisturizer, you can apply this because it's really going to moisturize your skin. It's amazing. This is the final look. You guys, I'm so happy with how it turned out and look how easy it is. I'm sure you have one of those eyeshadows that in one of your palettes at home that they look transparent, but then they have like blue or green or pink reflex. Use that. Or maybe you have a pigment. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like this product a lot. I love it, and it's actually very, very long lasting. But if you want to do something similar, like right now you don't feel like buying this, then I'm sure that you could find something in one of your palettes. And then this lipstick, this formula, I know there are brands on the market, and I'm not gonna give any names, but there are brands that have double the price of this, and they don't have even close as much pigment and the comfort of these lipsticks. Huda Beauty really has great lip products in general, but I would say that out of everything, this formula from, I don't know, it's called Bullet something. I don't know the name of the lipstick, but I love the formula. Now I'm going to go shopping. It's actually that day of the week when we are going to go shopping for food and drinks. I'm gonna go with Alex, but he's going to Monoprix and I'm going to Naturalia. Gonna put on my sunnies and I am ready to go shopping. There are 18 degrees in here, so this is perfect. I love this look. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you. Oh, I cannot open it. My nails are too fragile. I never, never, never. I never, never, never. Thank you. Bye.